bumper strap just come. Oh, look at the state of this car. What the fuck have you done to it?
So the M3 got smashed a bit.
Oh shit, he's bent it.
Oh, lips missing on it.
Carbon we've got left from the diffuser. Front end's kind of missing. Got crashed into a snowbank at 80 miles an hour side on. What, is that how you're treating my M3?
Bro, put the camera on.
I can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-boot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
So young you lot, as you've seen on the last video, the M3 was missing some carbon fibres. Now my mate Jay...
He's missing some. Look at the state of this car. What the fuck have you done to it?
Go on,
show the back end of the car.
Mad.
Show the back end of the car. Come bring it up to the back. Look what he's done on here. There's no diffuser missing. He's missing the bar on it. He's missing the fucking side pieces on here on it. He's missing literally everything. And then...
Have you got new stats?
Oh.
This geezer, yeah, he's just acting like a dickhead, yeah. He's got a Lamborghini Urus out there and it's fully made of carbon fibre. We'll just start unbolting seats and that. Obviously now, yeah, so the M3 got smashed to bits in Norway.
Oh shit, he's bent it. Oh, you crashed. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, you bent it. Oh shit. Oh. Carbon fibre.
YouTube has got very strict and that's why I haven't been uploading. I don't know if you have noticed, but YouTube have just locked it down, yeah? So all my mad, crazy DRIVADAVE shit, it'll be in Telegram now. The link to the Telegram is down below. So if you want to join that Telegram, everything that's going to be happening, like longer videos will be going in there, more, you know, more dangerous stuff as YouTube call it. I don't call it dangerous, but yeah. More shit will be going in the Telegram anyway. YouTube are not allowing us to do that much. So if you want to see some madness, jump in the Telegram, you know what to do. Now look.
Yeah, good. Just do it. Yeah, go on.
What, is that how you're treating my M3?
Bro, put the camera on. This guy just told me in the morning he's coming. I walked in this morning and he's like, I love this car, you know. I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, what the fuck have you done to this car? Like, lips missing on it. It looks like your bumper strap just come. Oh.
Nah, I swear that were broken, you know.
It was broken. That was broken because Switzy, my mate, went sideways into a big fucking ice brick wall as fast as it would go.
Oh shit, he's bent it. Oh, you crashed.
Now look, it's broke, it was broke already. I wouldn't be breaking stuff that's not broken. I got respect for money. But yo, that carbon's finished. Obviously, you see my M3 smashed to bits. Today is the day where it is back, you get me? It's been to wrench, it's had some tuning done, it's ready for war. Now we're working on the exterior, you get me? We had Pro Dent come out to take the dents out. So yo, the M3's just landed back from Norway now, yeah? Obviously, as you can see, it's been smashed to pieces, look. The back diffuser's non-existent, but that's the only bit of carbon we've got left from the diffuser. Look, yo, look at the state of it. Now this side is mint, yeah? The front end's kind of missing.
But the front splitter?
Well, the front splitter's missing, should I say. And we have done a bit of damage to it here, where we was yanking it out when it was stuck. The front splitter's gone. Yo, check this side. This was Switzy's side. So, the fucking side skirt's gone. We've got a dent in the door. We've actually got Pro Dent removal now coming out. They're gonna fix this dent in the door now. Hopefully, we should have it kinda looking back to normal today. You know, it's a bit of it's looking a bit sad right now. Fucking, there's just wellies in the boot. Want some wellies? Now, you know what though? Let me show you, yeah. You see Wrench Studios? Big up Ray, you know. I know I'll be screaming and shouting about Wrench all the time, but yo, when I tell you, this car performed fucking well. Like, I was doing some crazy shit in this car, and I was holding it on the whole time, and it broke. I'm getting it now, drive it anywhere. I trust it to get me there. It's a good fucking car, you get me? Pro Dent removal, he's landed, the main man himself. What's happening? Yo, I thought we'd just show the YouTube a bit about what you do and how you're gonna get my dent out of my car right now. So, okay, you can see the dent in the door there, yeah? Yeah. Obviously, it's not looking good, bruv. Have you found any other dents on the car? Have you looked around and found any? Nothing like that, yeah? Okay then, yeah, let's get cracking then. Let's pull this dent out then. Okay, I'm going to pull my first dent out today. Pro dent. That light. Yeah.
So what we're going to do is start by heating the panel up.
Mate, on the street, oh, that's PPF, do you know? Watch out. Yeah, okay. Look at that dent, though. Nice one, Switz.
It looks big like that.
Thanks a lot.
Some serious impact still.
Thanks a lot, Switz.
That was a serious iceberg.
You're a good friend. Great work, Switzy. Look, he took this whole side off. He hit an ice block, yeah, so fast. Not going to tell you. I was in the passage, I'm just like, oh.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, he's bent it. Oh, you crashed.
I know a lot of you lot as well have seen that we've been making mad bread and doing mad stuff. Look, yo, if you lot want in on it, scan the QR code on the screen right now, yeah? It'll bring you to our free community and you can see it for yourself without even joining it. So you just join the community, you can see what we're doing, you can see all the people that are making profit with us. You can make your own judgment that way, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of people will say, oh, is it a scam? Is it this? Is it that? Go on to our free community, look for yourself, try it out, and then knock it if you don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I doubt you're gonna not like it, to be honest. Everybody in there's making bread. Right then, so now,
What we're going to do is put a little glue tab on there, just in the centre of the dent. Yeah. Just to take the majority of the damage out. Let that cool down. Lock in and then pull. Like that. Hard.
Whack it.
Go on.
Oh, what?
oh yeah, more.
Let off a minute, let off. You ready?
So we're fucking good as new.
Near enough, just a little tiny bit in there. Left, just a little bit there.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
very quick.
It's fucking good as new. The only problem is now the whole rest of the car. Smooth. Fucking good that, isn't it? That's a good tool, that. Pro Dent's definitely done this before, ain't you, lad?
First time.
First.
First time.
It's not always that easy though, is it?
Nah, never this easy. Some of the pairs I do on my Instagram and that is crazy. We were shocked at some of the things that actually do come out with this sort of trade. Let's see if we can pull this little bit out then.
You are the man. You are the man.
I've been doing the trade 7 years. I've had my own business for free, and yeah, my old man taught me everything I know. Taught me everything.
They've stuck with me from the beginning. Like, I've been using him since I first started out. We got rid of that one or what, son?
Yeah, it's coming there. It's lovely.
Lovely jubbly. You get me? You wouldn't know that this crashed into a snowbank at 80 mile an hour side on. This is why I use Pro Dent, man, because it's got an eye for detail. You see that? Look, it looks fresh now. I was just going to cut the quarter off if we couldn't fix it, to be fair, and turn it into a doom buggy. You know what I mean? Good to go. Back to new, you get me? I'm back. So yeah, that's Pro Dent removal. Sorted it, you get me? Pattern the dents.
As always.
You know what I'm saying? He's a real panner. Real panel damager. Yo, if you lot want to get a dent took out, go find him on Instagram at Pro Dent Removal. You get me? He's a good lad. He travels nationwide. He'll get a flight if you pay him the right dough. Innit? Tell him.
Literally. I ain't using the other stuff.
It's been to Taha's, got a new front bumper, brand new from BM, painted. All I got left to do is just get that front end PPF and my new carbon PPF, then the M3's back.
Even with all these broken bits on it, this is the baddest M3 you got here. Look, carbon bonnet, underneath the bonnet, everything's carbon on it. He just says to me, I want everything carbon. That's carbon, that's carbon, that's carbon, that's carbon, that's carbon.
Obviously, as you know, I like carbon fibres. That's carbon,
Yeah,
that's
and
a
the X's on
carbon.
the headlight.
It is a carbon. It's a G63 carbon edition, mate, yeah? Do you want to check my steering wheel? Do you want me to open it? Spec game, mate. You want to see the spec, mate? Don't fuck with my spec, mate. Nah, but yo, serious note though, M3's back attacking. Yeah, we're gonna fit the carbon up. Obviously, a lot of you lot are probably out drinking now, yeah? Look, let me show you something, yeah? Look, yo, it's 10 to 11 on Friday night, yeah?
And he's dragged me out.
Some
For
people
what?
are addicted to alcohol. We're addicted to carbon fibers.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go. So yo, that's the M3 back together now, you get me? We just literally got the canards there going on and the car's fully back to its original self, you get me? It looks fucking nasty and you can't tell me there's a better M3 in the UK that looks as good as that. I don't give a fuck what anyone says, like yo, look at it man. Take it in, it's a serious motor. Carbon fibre does a big difference, you know, I'm telling you now. Obviously it needs a clean, I've got the valeter coming out tomorrow. He's gonna clean this. Gonna get him to clean the X3M as well. And like, yo, you might see us out. And look, yeah, before I go, yeah, that's what time we're finishing doing petrol, 20 past 2 in the morning. You get me? We ain't out in the boozer. Look, there's that side canard's done. Looking good.
991.
Like, share and subscribe, you know what to do, let's fucking go.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-Boo like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.